Isaiah 40 was written to people whose strength had completely run out, yet it describes a God who never gets tired. In Isaiah chapter 40, we read, "Do you not know? Have you not heard? The Lord is the everlasting God, the creator of the ends of the earth. He will not grow tired or weary, and his understanding no one can fathom. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Even youths grow tired and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Isaiah speaks to a tired, discouraged people in exile. Their homeland is gone. Their future feels uncertain. He repeats "know" and "heard," as if reminding them of something they already believed but had forgotten. There is a strong contrast between human weakness and divine strength. Even the strongest, the youths and young men, are pictured as stumbling and falling. God, on the other hand, never grows tired, never runs out, never reaches the end of his understanding. The verbs are gentle and generous. He gives, he increases, he renews. For them, this was not a motivational slogan. It was a lifeline. Their world had collapsed, yet Isaiah lifted their eyes from their own energy to the everlasting God. Paul echoes this idea in 2 Corinthians 12, when he says that God's power is made perfect in weakness. The same pattern appears when Jesus calls the weary and burdened to himself in Matthew 11 and promises rest for their souls. The Hebrew word for those who hope in the Lord is kava. It does not mean bored, passive waiting. It carries the image of twisting strands together like cords being braided, lives wrapped around God's character, expecting him to act. The truth is simple and deep. Human strength is limited and fragile, but God delights to pour his strength into those who cling to him with expectant trust. This speaks into busy calendars, hidden burnout, and quiet anxiety today. The answer is not pretending to be strong. The answer is learning where to lean. This week, build small practices of kava into your days. Take 5 unhurried minutes to read this passage again and speak it out loud, letting the words sink in. When you feel drained, pause before pushing ahead and simply say, even in a whisper, that your strength is gone, and his is enough. Go to bed on time as an act of trust, not defeat, believing that God works while you rest. Let your planner be full of tasks, but let your heart stay braided to the everlasting God who never grows tired. Study it deeply, live it fully,